channel. So I wanted to do a video, possibly a series of videos, talking about how I use effects and what I've learned about effects and how you might want to use effects. I've had some friends ask about this, and I use a lot of delay, I use a lot of reverb, I use a lot of chorus. Sometimes I use flanger, phaser, and I wanted to do a couple different videos about maybe each one. So what I'm going to do today is talk about delay. This is a NUX Cerberus that I just got, and I think that the delay and reverb algorithms on this are extremely usable. I think when you tweak them, they sound really good. And there's just 3 delays here, 3 reverbs, and I want to try to show you how you can get really great ambient sounds with a lot of space, with a lot of character that will make your tone fuller, that will make it a more ambient, and that will make it sound more lush. And so I think we can do that with just this. I like these so much that with my budget, I decided to sell the Boss DD200 that I just got a little over a month ago. And that cost near as much as this did. And it does a whole lot more, but I'm going to try to show you why you might not need that many delay effects, or if you want to do something else, spend a little less money, get something like this. This is the Donor Echo Square. Keep forgetting the name. And this has several different types of delay. And these are about 40 or 50 bucks on the donordeals.com site. And this isn't endorsed, unfortunately, maybe someday. But I bought this because I wanted a really cheap effect pedal for delay, and it doesn't have tap tempo, but it does have some really great algorithms that I'll show you. And the last one I'm going to use, because this one's really simple and it's even cheaper. I think these are about $30. At least they were when I bought them. This is kind of a copy, the MXR carbon copy, no pun intended. And what you have here is an analog voice delay, which I think sounds pretty solid. And you got a little switch here, you can add mod to it. And so I'm going to show you with these effects how you can get some really great ambient, lush, spacey, shoegazy, post-rock, all these terms I love to hashtag, that you hear from bands like Slow Dive, or on the instrumental side, Explosions in the Sky, Godspeed You Black Emperor, that kind of stuff. I just love those sounds so much, and I'm going to show you how I try to get some sounds that are in that ballpark. Some really great other YouTubers to check out if you want to get super specific: Chords of Orion, Pedal Partners, Shoegazer. So other than that, we're going to get into it. Hang out with me. Alright, so I'm going to have to fix how my setup is eventually. I don't have this oriented the best, but we'll play on, for reference, turn off that, and here is a little clean guitar sound. So, no effects, all dry. Is the Hall reverb. That's not on quite yet. I'm going to turn it on in a moment here. And a sort of tape delay. They call it 60s on this, but it is by all means a tape delay. I have it on max, which is 550 milliseconds. Now the setting that I have here, the repeats are about 11 o'clock, and I've got the level at about 1 o'clock. If I turn the level all the way back here on the delay, and then if I turn it all the way ahead, so there's more of a layer there. And I'm going to add reverb, and I'll do reverb separately in another video. I'll explain reverb, or how I use reverb, more so. But see, so that's with the decay turned way down. I'm going to turn the decay up quite a bit. I have a Hall type reverb going. You can hear that. See, I have a level up quite a bit. Let's turn that up. See how spacious that is. I think that sounds pretty nice. So I'm going to turn on the effects loop. And I have a reverse delay going through the echo square. And that reverse delay is at about 12 o'clock. About flat on all three of the controls. So check this out. bridge pickup here. So as you can see, I have pretty simple tape delay, hall reverb, and a really nice reverse delay. Reverse delay is really, it's pretty common, used a lot with shoegaze and alternative rock and anything that has a lot of kind of really ambient effects. And you can hear it kind of adds a pad into the background here. Super nice. Again, about a $40 pedal here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play through a few different sounds. I'm going to label those sounds in the description. Maybe put some bumpers up beforehand, and I will see you in the next video. about 30 bucks. New. Maybe 40. Have the depth up. At 11 o'clock, and I have the speed all the way up. So, little known trick. I'll go over that more later. Probably another video. So that's the chorus. Turn the reverb off too. See how big of a difference the reverb makes.